What's up, everybody? Today is May the 25th. My name is ThejJordan, and I'm here to do an unboxing. And the unboxing is from I can tell because it have her sticker all over it. It is from Miss T with the T, and I can show you how she got it. Look at that. So you know who it's from. So with that being said, let's do the unboxing, right? So I don't know what this is. It sound when I shook it up, it sound like cereal. But we'll find out. Remember, I got the handy dandy. I got this right here on Amazon as well. So let's see what it is. Wish everybody an awesome day today. We're gonna see what this is, play out. All the time. On this fine day, Honey Nut Cheerios. You know I like my cereal. Thank you very much. What is this? Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I eat these too. I normally eat both of these anyway, because it's what I like to eat. So I would like to say thank you very much, Miss T with the T. I definitely appreciate it. It don't have no note in here. It just say wait, hold on. It's a message on here. So maybe one day we can enjoy cereal together. Yeah, that's cool. That is cool. I didn't even know she had wrote it on the box. So, yeah. I thank you very much. I really do appreciate it. You know what I mean? So, that means I'm gonna have to go get some milk. But I definitely appreciate the cereal because y'all know I love my cereal. That's what I normally eat all the time. So I really do appreciate this Miss T with the T. And because this definitely gonna go to some good use in my stomach. But with that being said, I want everybody go check out Miss T. Show her some love, support, like, share it out. You know what I mean? She's doing a lot of stuff for a lot of people over there, support people and all that stuff, have good topics. And with that being said, I definitely appreciate the gift. I definitely appreciate it. So until next time, I will holler at all of y'all. Make sure y'all do stuff at your own pace, own moderation. Make sure you stretch, drink water, like, comment, subscribe. You know what I mean? So with that being said, I'll holler at y'all later. Peace out. Ooh-wee. And hair grease.